Hi teachers and friends, it's my English homework video. Today we make a can teacher's dish. Let's start. First we wash our hands because hygiene is very important. Firstly, wash a clean 1.5 packets of mushrooms. Secondly, slice the mushrooms. Then spread 50 gr of butter to the bottom of a tray. Next, drive the tray into the and wait for 10 minutes in 160 degrees. After that, grate nearly 300-400 gr of cheese in a bowl. Spread the grated cheese on the mushrooms after you take out the tray from oven. Drive the tray in the oven again. Finally, crack 4-5 eggs in a bowl. Before you spread the eggs on the cooked mushrooms and melted cheese. Put the tray back into the oven third time. Wait for 5 minutes and can teacher's dish is ready. Enjoy your meal.